In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export products from WooCommerce and import them into Shopify. We'll go through the full process from downloading your product data in WooCommerce to checking everything after the import in Shopify, so you can move your catalog over in a clean and organized way. Start by opening your WooCommerce dashboard. Once you're in, go to Products and then select All Products. This is where you'll find the export option for your current product catalog. Click Export to begin preparing your product file. At this stage, WooCommerce will let you choose which product columns and categories you want to include in the export. Take a moment here to make sure you're exporting the information you actually need. For example, product titles, descriptions, prices, inventory details, images, and variations are often important when moving to a new platform. If you only want certain categories, you can filter them now to keep the file more manageable. Once your selections are ready, click Generate CSV. WooCommerce will create the export file for you. When it's finished, download the exported product file to your computer. Before doing anything else, open the file and review it briefly so you understand how the data is structured. It's also a good idea to keep an untouched backup copy of this original export. That way, if you need to make edits later, you'll still have the clean source file to return to. Next, sign into Shopify. After logging in, go to Products and click Import. This is where you'll upload the CSV file you exported from WooCommerce. Select the file from your computer and upload it to Shopify. Before completing the process, Shopify will show you a preview of the imported information. This step is important because it gives you a chance to catch any issues before they affect your live product catalog. Look closely for unsupported columns or formatting errors. Depending on how your WooCommerce data is arranged, some fields may need to be adjusted so Shopify can read them correctly. Once you've corrected any issues, go ahead and start the import. Shopify will process the file and create your product listings. After the import is complete, review the imported products carefully. Check the product descriptions, images, prices, inventory, and variants to make sure everything came through correctly. This final review helps you confirm that your store data is accurate and ready for customers. If anything looks off, you can return to the CSV, make adjustments, and import again as needed.